Action.
Okay, join me as I prepare Yoruba soup, omi obe. They call it omi obe. Look at it on the fire. You can use fish, meat, or any kind of fish, or pomo, or even stuffing. But today I decided to use only fish. Look at my fish. First of all, I fried my fish. I fried my fish. Then this is my omi obe. I use the oil that they fry fish to cook my omi obe. So I'm using groundnut oil. So before you enjoy this omi obe, you have to grind the tomato, pepper and sobo. You have to grind it in engine, or you can use blender in order for it to be very smooth. Then you now enjoy it. You cook it along with the ewedu. If you cook ewedu with it, then you enjoy it. You are good to go. So here are my ingredients. When as it's cooking, let me be grinding my fish. So these are my ingredients. When you fry the groundnut oil, then just pour your tomato, onions, and some and this pepper that you ground. Just pour it inside the oil. Then put all your ingredients. If you are using fish, if you have still your fish, your pomodoro, you can pour it. But since I fried my fish already, you can add crayfish. You can see me grinding my crayfish. So you can start adding your ingredients. Because no need for it to fry. You don't need to fry it because it's not a stew. It's omi obe. If I prepare it like this, I normally use for rice also. I can use for rice. I can use it for, but mainly is for, normally is for what is for amala. It goes well with amala dudu. You can see this is my record shirt. Just more ingredients, you cook it. But trust me, this omeobe is very enjoyable. I love cooking omeobe because I used to enjoy it. It used to be very, very sweet. Whenever I cook it like this, since I've already fried my fish, I've added my ingredients, so I have to leave it for some time to boil. Then I'll now add my fish. It's very simple. Let me bring the cover. This is the time to add my fried fish. This is how omiobe is very sweet. Trust me. If you try it now, you'll be cooking it every day. This soup is too much. Soup is much. You cannot keep this one again. Okay, oh, you can see my omiobe now. Once you add your fish like this or your meat, allow it to boil for just a minute. obe is ready to go. Let me test it. Very, very sweet. So go and try it. The process is just simple and it's very sweet. You don't need to fry your tomato. When you just grind your tomato, pepper, onions, some ball, you are good to go. Once your oil hot, just pour it inside. Add all your ingredients. Allow it to boil for some minutes and remove it. It's set to go. Then prepare your ewedu to enjoy your omiobe.